The meatiest meatless sauce, porcini. If you think ragu needs meat, let me introduce you to porcini. Deep, savory, and honestly ridiculous. We're going hook. 5 steps. Crush this tonight. In 3 minutes you'll learn a porcini ragu. It bullies store-bought sauce. Step 1. Wake the porcini. Pour hot water over dried porcini, about a cup per ounce, steep 15 to 20 minutes. That's soaking liquid? Liquid gold. Strain through a coffee filter or strain through a paper towel. Catch the grit. Chop the softened porcini. Small step 2. Build the base medium pot on medium heat. Olive oil, onion, fine dice. Carrot, fine dice. Celery, fine dice. Classic sofrito. Pinch of salt. Cook low and slow, 8 to 10 minutes, sweet and jammy. No color is fine. A little golden is great. Grate in 2 cloves of garlic at the end. Step 3. Mushroom power. Add chopped cremini. Add chopped baby bella, about 12 ounces. Big pinch of salt. Let them surrender their water. Don't stir too much. When they start to brown, stir in the chopped porcini. Optional. Teaspoon white miso. Optional. Splash of soy. It disappears into the background. Step 4. Deglaze and simmer. Deglaze with ½ cup dry white wine. Scrape up the brown bits. Let the alcohol mostly cook off. Add a spoon of tomato paste. Toast it a minute till brick red. Add a 14-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Add 1/2 to 3/4 cup strained porcini liquid. Add a bay leaf. Add a sprig of thyme. Or add a sprig of rosemary. Simmer gently, 25 to 35 minutes uncovered. Stir now and then. If it thickens too much, splash more porcini liquid or splash water. Taste, adjust salt. Step 5. Finish and serve, fish out the herbs. Swirl in a knob of butter. Drizzle good olive oil for gloss, black pepper, maybe a pinch of red pepper flakes. If I'm doing pasta, undercook it by a minute. Drag it into the ragu with a ladle of starchy pasta water. Toss on heat till it clings. Shower of parm or shower of pecorino. Chopped parsley. Done not into pasta. Spoon it over creamy polenta or spoon it over buttery toast. Pro tips. Salt in layers. Sofrito mushrooms finish. Keep the simmer gentle. You want body, not scorching leftovers. Taste even better tomorrow. It freezes like a champ. That's it. A porcini ragu that punches way above its weight. No meat required. Make it once, your weeknight pasta just leveled up.